Lily, the sky is getting dark. I can hear thunder.
Everyone, come inside now.
A few hours earlier, the day was bright and sunny. Today, we are learning about weather.
Wake up, Oliver. It is morning.
Is the sun awake too?
Yes, and it is very bright. I can see the sun. The sky is blue. Today is sunny.
This is our weather board.
What will we learn?
We will learn 5 weather words.
Sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, and stormy.
Can weather change quickly?
Yes, it can. Look at the bright sun.
The weather is sunny.
It feels warm outside.
Wear light clothes on sunny days.
Oliver, that coat is too warm.
But it has big pockets. We need hats and sunscreen.
We also need water.
Water keeps us cool.
This is a thermometer.
What does it measure? It measures temperature.
The temperature is 27 degrees.
That means it is warm. It feels warm outside.
High temperatures usually feel warmer.
Low temperatures feel colder. Then I need warm clothes.
Look at your shadows.
My shadow is behind me. My shadow is copying me. Look, my shadow can dance. Your shadow follows every move.
The sunlight creates the shadow. This ribbon helps us study wind.
The ribbons are not moving.
There is very little wind.
The ribbons are moving now.
This is a gentle breeze.
A breeze is a light wind. I can feel the air.
We can feel wind.
But we cannot see it. Clouds are coming. They look soft and white.
Clouds contain tiny drops of water.
That cloud looks like a rabbit. That one looks like a sandwich.
You must be hungry. Can you see the sun?
The clouds are covering it. The sky is changing.
How is the weather now?
It is cloudy.
Goodbye, bright sunshine.
The air feels cooler.
Clouds can block sunlight.
Should I wear something warmer?
We planned a family picnic.
Let's go to the park. We should check the forecast.
A forecast tells us about future weather.
Rain may come this afternoon.
But it is not raining now. We should pack rain gear.
And we need an umbrella.
I will pack the boots.
Put the sandwiches in the basket.
I will pack the fruit. I will protect the cookies.
A warm day needs plenty of water.
I will pack 2 bottles. I will carry the basket.
Let us check the sky once more.
The clouds look darker now. Our rain gear is ready.
The air feels cool and fresh.
I can feel the wind. The clouds are moving fast.
Which way is the wind blowing?
The ribbon moves to the left. The wind comes from the right.
What shape is that cloud?
It looks like a rabbit.
I see a sailing boat.
Look, the sun is coming out. The clouds are opening.
It feels warmer already.
Stand in the sunlight first.
The sunlight feels warm.
The shade feels cooler.
The sun has disappeared again.
Now the air feels cooler.
The weather changes quickly.
I felt a drop of rain.
One landed on my hand.
The rain is starting.
Let us open the umbrella.
Now we can stay dry.
Good thing we packed it.
Listen to the rain.
It taps on the umbrella.
The sound is soft and steady.
Small puddles are forming.
This one reflects the sky.
Rainwater collects in low places.
The rain is getting stronger.
There is a shelter ahead.
Let us walk there together.
The roof keeps us dry.
Rain falls from the clouds.
And it gives plants water.
The rain is becoming lighter.
The drops are farther apart.
I can hear the birds again.
The rain has stopped.
The clouds are getting brighter.
Maybe the sun will return.
Sunlight shines through tiny raindrops.
Look, a rainbow is appearing.
Can you name some colors?
I see red, yellow, and green.
I see blue and purple too.
The grass is still wet.
The shelter table is dry.
Let us have lunch here.
Let us unpack our lunch.
Here is the fruit.
And the cookies are safe.
What weather did we see?
We saw wind and rain.
Then sunshine and a rainbow.
Weather can change very quickly.
We brought water and an umbrella.
Being prepared makes trips easier.
The sunshine feels warm again.
This is lovely picnic weather.
Every weather is cookie weather.
The sun is drying the path.
The puddles are getting smaller.
The water becomes invisible vapor.
Warm water vapor rises.
It cools and forms clouds.
Then rain can fall again.
The afternoon sky is clear.
The sun is lower now.
Our shadows are getting longer.
This cool wind is a sea breeze.
It moves from the sea to the land.
It makes my hair dance.
The sky is turning orange and pink.
The clouds have golden edges.
Sunset means evening is near.
The evening air feels cooler.
I am glad home is warm.
Let us record today's weather.
Put the weather pictures in order.
First, it was cloudy and windy.
Then came rain, sun, and a rainbow.
Which weather needs an umbrella?
Rainy weather needs an umbrella.
And sunny weather needs water.
What weather do you like best?
I love sunny days and rainbows.
I like cool, windy weather.
What did we learn today?
Weather can change very quickly.
We should watch, listen, and prepare.
Every day brings different weather.
We will keep watching the sky.
Good night, weather watchers.
Good morning. Today is going to be a fun day.
Oliver, wake up.
Good morning. I'm awake. Mom, what are you doing?
I'm cooking breakfast for everyone. Oliver, what do you want for breakfast?
I want pancakes, please.
Oliver, do you want some water?
Yes, please. Thank you, Dad. I'm still hungry.
Me too. I'm hungry. What should we make for breakfast?
Let's make pancakes. What do we need?
We need flour and eggs.
This is an egg.
Yes, that's an egg. This is milk.
Milk. Let's add it.
This is flour.
Flour. We need flour. Let's mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Good job.
The pan is hot.
Hot. I will be careful.
How a bing.
Yo, you manger and mations. Look! I flipped it!
Wow, great job, Dad.
Breakfast is ready!
Wow, they look delicious. Let's eat.
Yes, I'm so hungry. How does it taste?
It's sweet and delicious. These pancakes are delicious.
I want to try them too.
Pancakes are my favorite.
Mine too. Let's make them again.